Welcome to part 2 of modern day balloon framing. You can see we have the floor diaphragm installed. It's one thing to talk about all of the ingredients. It's something else to get to see them. You might remember we have insulation behind some of this. It's all these concealed decisions that end up really being super important. So one of the things that I wanted to show you was this Simpson screw. The engineering that goes into these modern structural screws is just absolutely amazing. I mean, take a look at some of that detailing in there, from the point of it all the way to where the bit itself inserts. So cool. In fact, I want to show you what it looks like just driving this thing. If you look up close, you can see here's really what's primarily going to be our air barrier. That was that Stego crawl that I had some left over for. Of course, they already have this structurally screwed into the framing material, but I thought I would just kind of show you. I'm going to do it right about in the middle, what this looks like. All right, maybe that's a little bit too much for this. I've got it started. I'm gonna go grab a drill and see if we can finish this guy off. Let's try round 2. I have literally had this set for a super long time. I try to have enough tools to be able to do different types of work, but let's see how this goes. All right, much better. So you can see that they use those up to be able to attach it. Pretty cool. Let's go upstairs and I'll show you what it looks like from the top side. Now we're upstairs and I want to show you how the air barrier all integrates together. This is going to come up, probably a hammer tacker here, and then maybe a bead of some sort of a sealant, and then the drywall is going to be over that, and we'll have our air barrier here. Now, to be honest, we also have the Huber zip system from the outside. It's called multiple systems redundancy. In this case, instead of just having an air barrier considered being in one location or the other, we kind of have it in both. It's even been called like a wind barrier from one side because of the outside, and then an air barrier from the inside. So anyway, just a little bit more building science in there. I'm going to go ahead and make sure to post a link below to the other video where I really got into this building science and the assembly that made up. And then maybe there will even be something that you can click up here in order to go see that video. Give me a follow on social media. I'm at Pioneer Builders Inc. Watch my videos on Build Show Network. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Now go build something.